Yes guys, welcome back to my channel. This is RL Pereira Vlog. So punta ngayon tayo guys sa Carbon Night Market guys. Ang napakasarap ng street food nila guys. Tingnan nyo guys. Wow! I miss this food guys. Seafoods. Yan. Yan, dito na tayo guys sa Carbon Night Market guys. So napakaraming tao guys. Tingnan nyo guys. Para talagang hindi gabi guys. Tingnan night market guys. Yan. Napakaraming mga street food. Makikita mo dito lahat. May mga seafoods. Yan, tingnan nyo guys. Iba't ibang may shell. Yan, may scallop. Wow, ang sarap. May sopas, may sabaw, yes, may soup. Yes, tingnan nyo guys. Napakaraming tao guys. Punong-puno talaga dito guys. Dito lamang sa Carbon Night Market. Yan. Yan, may banda pa sila guys. So, napakagandang experience guys. Wow, napakaraming tao. Napakasaya dito guys. Yan. Bonggang-bongga na talaga ang Cebu City guys. Yan, may pabanda pa sila guys. Yan. Yan, napakaganda ng music nila guys. Pinoy na Pinoy. Alright. Okay. Alright, yan. Ito na nga guys, ang aming order guys. Seafoods. Yan, napakasarap guys. At saka, meron pa silang fresh boko. Yan ang favorite ko guys. Dito talaga sa Pilipinas guys. Makatikim ka ng fresh. Yan ang boko guys. Ang pinuntahan ko agad-agad guys. Kasi fresh na fresh ang kanyang sabaw. Tingnan nyo guys. Yan ang tubig ng pure fresh boko juice. Napakasarap ng juice ng boko. Yan. Okay. Wow na wow talaga guys. 10 out of 10 talaga pag ito na guys ang boko ang pinag-uusapan. Favorite ko to guys. Na-miss ko sa probinsya guys. Masarap tong lamaw ng boko. Sarap-sarap. Alright, at saka ito pa guys. Meron pa siyang fresh. May lemon juice pa guys. Sabang may ubo pa ako ngayon guys. Galing pa ng Saudi Arabia ang ubo na to guys. Pero ngayon may fresh. Yan. Oh, meron pa rin ng balot. Kakain ba kayo nito? Yan guys. Favorite ko itong balot guys. Mukbang ng balot tayo ngayon guys for today's video. Yan. Alright, yes. Bibili tayo ng balot. Kakain tayo ng balot ngayon guys. Yan, napakasarap. Alright, yan. For today's video. Night Market of Carbon. Yes. Ang sarap ng balot mukbang. Alright, yan, napakasarap ng sabaw guys. May suka kunti at may konting asin. Napakasarap. Alright, napakasarap na experience to guys. Once in a lifetime experience. Alright guys, napakasarap tong moment na to guys. Yan, may isang kunting-kunti lang na yan. Konting asin lang guys. Wala, masarap na siya guys. Napakasarap itong experience to guys. Yan. Mainit pa siya guys. Wow, napakasarap. Vitamins to guys. Alright guys, for today's video, thank you for watching. Bye!